Oh boy, it's reading time with Barney. What are we going to read tonight? Barney's Book of Airplanes. Wow, that looks exciting. Look, it's Baby Bop, BJ, and Barney. And a real pretty plane. Oh, he wrote, I love you in the sky. I love you. Look at this little plane. Presented to you from Barney. There they are. Baby Bop's got her little yellow blanket. A jumbo jet. Look how big that plane is. I bet that had hold hundreds of people. Barney, BJ, and Baby Bop are going to the airport today. He rolls this up. There we go. What do you think they will see? I don't know what they're going to see at the airport. So far they see a jumbo jet. Looks like it's taking off. First, Barney and BJ will see big jet airplane. The pilot is the person who flies the plane. There's the pilot. Passengers are getting on. Looks like they're loading this big plane. That's a cargo plane. It loads cargo. Next, Barney and BJ see a cargo plane. A cargo plane carries mail and big packages. BJ likes that one. Let them load all those things. That's a big plane too. Wow. 4 engines. A Skyrider plane. Look at that. It's writing hello. Barney and BJ will see a Skyrider flying high in the sky. The pilot can write words in the sky with this special plane. That is really neat. Walking in the hangar, Barney and BJ see a biplane. A biplane is one of the first planes to ever fly. You know why they call it a biplane? Biplane? I should say biplane. It has 2 wings. Biplane was one of the first planes ever to fly. Chop, 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 chop. A helicopter is landing nearby. Helicopters have whirly blades. There's the hangar where they keep the planes. Whoosh, Barney and BJ watch a Concorde jet take off. A Concorde is the fastest plane in the world. Look at that big pretty plane. Barney and BJ and Baby Bop go for an airplane ride. They watch seaplanes land on the water. Look at that. There's a lighthouse and some seagulls. And there's the seaplane, and Barney in a real pretty little plane. Space shuttle, wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Barney, Baby Bop, and BJ see the space shuttle on its way into space. There they are. There goes the space shuttle into space. Back home, Barney shows Baby Bop, BJ how to make airplanes out of paper. Now, I can pilot my own airplane, says BJ. Me too, giggles Baby Bop. Barney laughs. Flying airplanes is super-de-duper fun. Wow, look at all the different airplanes. That's a pretty picture. Jet show plane, cargo plane, Concorde, emergency rescue helicopter, jet plane, airship, seaplane, Kitty Hawk was the first planes, Highway Patrol, Harrier Jet, Tomcat, Jumbo Jet, Monoplane, Space Shuttle, Business Jet, Soap with Camel. Hope I said that right. Soap with Camel. I hope I'm saying that right. Skyrider, Super Scooper Fire Bomber, Super Scooper Hot Air Balloon, Monoplane. Got that one. Spitfire. Tuber Prop Plane. Helicopter. Triplane. Wow. Hope I probably mispronounced some of those. That's a really interesting book with lots of information. Really enjoyed learning all that. I have to go get my encyclopedia and read up on some of those. I'm kind of not knowing much about airplanes, but now I know a whole lot more. And look at all these other books from Barney Publishing. Well, that was a very informative, good book to read. I'm glad we got to read that tonight.